It's Victoza and welcome back to my channel. I just want to share something that I'm gonna be documenting over the next maybe 3 months. I'm gonna do like an update either every day or every week. I don't know, whatever's gonna work better with my schedule. Basically, I went to the doctor yesterday and I was telling her about my struggle with kind of like losing weight or whatever, and she noticed that I had gained some weight. So she was basically telling me she has something that she wants me to try. She gets a lot of samples of it, and she's seen like changes in people who've used the product or whatever. And she was like, if you want to try it, we could try it for a few months or try it for a week, and you let me know if you like it, and if not, yeah, let's try it or whatever. So it's called Victoza. And what it is, honestly, like, it's used for people with diabetes. And I'm not exactly sure what it does for them, but what it does for people who are going to use it for weight loss, it basically goes in and shuts off the hunger. It basically says to your brain that you're not hungry, or when you're full, like you're full, stop eating right now. She explained it to me. I was like, you know what, it doesn't sound bad, I'll try it. If I don't like it, then I won't do it anymore or whatever. So she gave me a sample. It comes like this is like the pen or whatever, and then you get these like little needle things. So these are the needles. So it's basically like a pen, and then you like inject it into the fat in your body. So I chose to use my stomach because I'm a little bit fluffy there. You're supposed to inject it into your stomach, and then like for the first week you're on a certain amount, so it's like 0.6. So then what you would do is you would turn the nozzle to like 0.6. I'm not gonna do it because then I don't know how it goes, like if you're not using it and whatever. So you would turn the nozzle to 0.6, and then you would have a fresh needle, and then you put it on your stomach, and then, or wherever you're gonna inject it, wherever it's fatty, not in muscle but in fat, and then you press the button and then it goes in. So you would basically clean the area with the alcohol swab, and then put the needle and press the button, and it goes in. The needles are they're very tiny, so it doesn't really hurt. It feels like a slight pinch, but like a paper cut hurts worse. I'm gonna just show you guys. So I purposely left this on there today because I did it already. Yesterday I started, I was at my doctor's office. She did it so she could try it on me so that I can see how she did it. So then when I go home, I can do it myself. So she did it, and then I did it this morning, and first I messed up, but then I was like, oh, okay, I see how you do it. So basically, so tomorrow will be day 3. So there's like 7 thingies in here. So it's like a week's worth. So it comes like in these little things, and this is like a fresh needle. And basically you would peel that off, and then the fresh needle, I'm gonna show you. This is the old one from this morning. But it's like this, and then here's the thing, and then there's one needle that goes in there, and then there's another needle that pokes out. So then you take it, the fresh one, and then you rip this off, and then you screw it on, and then the cap comes off. And then once the cap goes off, this little part is there. So then this is where I got it messed up, because I was like, oh, like maybe this is it, and then you puncture this and then the medicine comes out. But no, you take this part off as well, right? And then it leaves you with the needle, which is very thin. It's actually 32 gauge disposable needles. See? Yeah, so then you would have this part, right? And then you take it and you turn it into, well, 0.6 is what I'm on right now, and then I go up to the next thing within a week if I like it or whatever. So then you take it and then you basically poke it into the fat, press the button, and then you're good. And as you could see, like the needle's very, like, can you see that? The needle's like so thin. It's so small and thin. Yeah, that's what you do. From yesterday and today, my experience has been, when she first did it, I felt like a little bit like dizzy a little bit, but I think that was just because I was just nervous about what was about to happen. And then I kind of got this like sensation of like, not numbness, but like tastelessness in my mouth. I think that was just me being nervous, and then I also have anxiety, so I felt like that was just kind of like my body just having its own like reaction or whatever. Right after that, I was going to go eat. So it's supposed to curb your appetite. Basically, like, I only was able to eat, like, usually I could take like a slice of pizza, 2 slices of pizza. I only ate 1 slice of pizza. So I was like, oh, okay, I see what's going on. So when you're full, you're like absolutely not supposed to eat anymore. If you eat more, well, I was told, if you eat more after you already realize that you're full, then you're gonna get very nauseous. Today, I did it this morning before I went to work. When I got to work, I got like some fruit, and I got like some toast and some water. And then I only had like 1 piece of the, like a couple bites of the toast, and then I had like half of, like, it was like a thing like this of fruit, and then I only ate like half of it, and I was full. I was just like, wow, this is kind of crazy. So whatever. So then I just drank some water. So I was drinking water throughout the day. I really wasn't hungry at all. And then by the time like half my day was over, I was like, you know what, maybe I should eat something even though I'm not really hungry like that. So I just went and got some mixed nuts or whatever, and then I know I was gonna go out later to get like more food. So by the time I went to dinner, like I really, like, I had like half of a lobster roll and like a salad, and that's it. Like, I really didn't eat much. So even right now, like I'm not hungry. Like, I'm not craving any food or anything. If I do feel hungry, or if I feel like I'm getting hungry, I just drink some water. So supposedly you're supposed to be drinking a lot of water on this, and you're supposed to be eating more, like eat things with less fat. Today I did feel a little bit nauseous, and I thought maybe I overate or something, but I really felt like I didn't, because I really didn't have that much. But other than that, I haven't had any real side effects or whatever, but I'm definitely going to keep you guys up to date and see how my like weight loss goes. My goal is to, like, before I turn 30, which is in January, I want to lose like 40 to 45 pounds. And yeah, maybe I don't seem that fluffy, but to me, I am fluffy. I'm a little bit fluffy, especially for my height. So that, along with exercising. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to try to do like 20 to 30 minutes of exercising a day, or at least 3 times a week. And eating less, because my appetite is like curved anyway. So I'm going to try to do that. Is eating less, more exercise, and take my shots. Just curbs my appetite, which is amazing because I can put away some food. That's my plan, and I just want to put this up here for anybody who thinks about trying it, or maybe their doctor recommended it for them, or just to share some information. My honey is walking in the bathroom. Just share some information or whatever. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that notification button. Okay, the little bell. Okay, I will keep you guys up to date. I probably will come back tomorrow and upload another video and show you guys exactly how I do it and be a little bit more detailed. Bye. Thanks for watching.